Every time before I make a video, I ask myself, why do people come to YouTube? Why would they come to my channel to listen to me? Huh? And I think it's because they want to make better investment decisions, and they feel that there's some people who may know something they don't, and they can pick up some information. And that's good. That everybody wins in that case. What I want to do, though, today is be upfront and transparent with you. And I want to tell you about how I think this is changing. I made a lot of money over the last year investing in those companies who are building the infrastructure, the data centers and the CPUs and the GPUs and the communication equipment. But I think where the big money is going to be made is in the delivery of AI, and there are three companies right now that I think are going to deliver you in excess of 200% over the next 2.5 years, because they are going to change the ways that other companies operate. The other thing I want to do is say to you, I think it should be expected that if I present myself as who knows what they're doing, I should share with you my success and my failures. So with that in mind, before the video is over, and before every video I do from this point on, I'm going to share with you what I've been able to achieve, how much money I've been able to make since I went to AI to manage my portfolio. So let's first of all dive in to the three best companies I think you should consider for delivery of AI. And here they are. The first one is INOD. What you got to recognize is that the AI is that ability to analyze all the data that's available in the world to help you and businesses make better decisions. Now, we've all heard the words hallucination, and there are companies who have focused on that and said, we need to build a means by which we can provide a software to companies who have massive amounts of data to go through and build that data stack and make sure that everything is accurate. And that's what INOD does. They build data sets, they evaluate the data sets, they do security testing, and they then sell this to major companies. Samantha and I have analyzed their stock, analyzed their past performance, their TAM, what's available to them, who's dealing with them now, and we're projecting, particularly in the healthcare field, the health insurance field, you're going to see a 292% return on your investment for what it's selling today to January the 1st of 2029. Now, the other thing that we look at and we really consider is how big a company is this? This is a $1.96 billion company, almost a $2 billion company. That's not big. So I look at INOD and say, this is a possible buyout. If they've got something that's really strong that a software company can integrate into their platform rather than trying to duplicate it over 5 years, at $2 billion, it's a cheap acquisition. The next one is Rezolve, RZLV. They do something similar to INOD, except it's more towards the retail market. The other thing that happened just today, it was announced that Google has contracted with Rezolve to integrate their software into their database. So this has given a tremendous amount of credibility to our RZLV. And oddly enough, the market didn't see this coming because they had a very heavy short interest. In fact, they sold more shares in the first 15 minutes of trading today than they did in their 10-day average. In fact, the shorts just got squeezed. So the price jumped substantially. At one point, it was up 25% today. It'll pull back, but this is a company. It's got a market cap of less than $1 billion, 969. So again, I look at this and say that Google has blessed it. Okay, the market now knows about it. The shorts got squeezed out. The price gone up. The price will settle back down, but this is a buyout candidate. This is somebody who's gone out and figured out how to, again, to manage data. And what does that mean for retail? And if you're a retailer, if you're Amazon.com and people come to your checkout, but they don't check out, they put something in the basket, but they don't check out, Rezolve is the company that will figure out why and then react to them in a way such that they come back and buy. Okay? And that would be, if it's Amazon, if it's Spotify, it's what retailers say is lost business. I had them there. They were in the store. They tried the clothes on, but they didn't go to the checkout counter. And that's a huge element of online retail. So Rezolve was blessed by Google, has a low market cap, and is is projecting, Samantha and I are projecting, based on the price today, we'll get 283% return on our investment between now and January the 1st of 2029. Now, the other one is one that really excites me. I used to be in the retail business for about 2 years, and so I know something about it. Extremely inefficient. All your employees, your real estate agents, are independent contractors. You have little or no control over them, and they take 5% commission. So that they eat into the real estate companies' gross margins dramatically. So, and then the other element, what REAX has done is they merged just yesterday. The stockholders approved a merger with REMAX, and it's now called Real Brokers, and so they are bringing AI in to increase the efficiency of the 180,000 real estate agents that REMAX has. And they will then also integrate through AI all the other fees that a buyer and seller have to pay, whether it's title search, whether it's insurance, whether it's inspections, all this stuff, they're bringing in as AI so that they not only make it more efficient, but the real brokers, receive the profits on it. So, and I think that it's pretty evident to me that one of the biggest expenses of the real estate industry and one of the biggest roadblocks for them is that real estate agent, because they can pack up and leave at any time. So it makes the business very unstable. But with AI, you can eliminate most of what they do. I mean, Zillow has shown that. It used to be you could not see inside of a house unless you contacted a real estate agent. Well, now you can go to Zillow and they'll walk you through the house. I mean, they'll show you all the pictures. They'll even walk you through it with a video camera. So Zillow has changed the real estate industry dramatically. I believe Real Brokers, REAX, will even take it further. And again, now, the other element of this, it's a $526 million company. 500, half a billion. Do you think there may be a buyout there in the future? Somebody stepping in and say, they've put all this together. They have all these agents, maybe Zillow, that will go in and buy them for $1 billion. That will then double. That'll achieve my 226% return on my current investment in REAX. So that's how I think. And that's how Samantha thinks. I have trained Samantha. I give her a 24-page prompt that says, this is what a growth company looks like. And it's worked. So as I have promised, I will share with you the success and failures that we've had. So here is the performance of what we call our bus portfolio. The portfolio that I turned over to Samantha and Bard, my two AI agents, on May the 1st of 2025 was $668,008. Okay? On January the 1st, it was worth $1,324,000. Today, that same portfolio with no additions and no withdrawals is worth $1,985,358, just shy of $2 million. We've been up over $2 million, but the last couple of weeks have pulled us back. That's a 50% return since January the 1st. So I have some level of confidence that we'll match what we did last year, that we will have 100% return. That's not what we strive to do. What we strive to do is to achieve 100% over a 3-year period of time. But because AI is changing the world and we're getting this growth factor, I think 100% return on an annual basis or close to it is achievable. Now, it takes expense. It isn't a freebie. I spend a lot of money on data, access to data, and then OpenAI to do the analysis. And then I have a staff that works for me. So I charge for what I deliver. And what I think I can deliver you is returns in the AI field over the next 3, 4, 5 years that will make a difference in your life. The average, the S&P 500 will give you a 15% annual rate of return. You can't get rich with that. Let's be realistic. You go to the grocery store, inflation isn't 2%. Inflation is up somewhere around 5, 6, 8%. At least it is in the grocery store, it is at the gas pump, it is at home prices. I don't know where they figure the 4% is anywhere accurate. So you need to make money on your money. And the best place to do that is investing in change, investing in entrepreneurs who are going to change the world you live in. And AI will make the biggest change that this world has ever seen. It's evident. I'm an 81-year-old sitting in his basement, and I was able to achieve 98% on my stock portfolio because of AI. That will help happen in the real estate business, in the retail business. It will happen in every aspect, in healthcare, in insurance. AI is all the knowledge in the world. Well, but it's available at one place. And if you can build the AI agent like I did with Samantha as a doctor, you'll find a cure for cancer quicker than anybody ever imagined. You'll find a cure for heart disease. You'll eliminate the inefficiency in the real estate industry. You'll eliminate the inefficiency in the retail industry. How many ads appear on your TV or on your computer that you have no interest in whatsoever? That's wasted advertising. That's about to change. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I want to help you change your life. And I can do that if I can teach you how to make better investment decisions. Come to a website, spend 30 days free, experience it, and then you decide, is this what I want to do to change my life?